In today's video I will show you how to make a single crochet. It's one of the basic stitch. We will start with the slip knot and 15 chain stitches. For chain stitch we will insert the hook in the slip knot. Grab the yarn on the other hand. Grab the yarn and pull it from the slip knot. Grab the yarn with the hook and pull it from the stitches. So we will get 15 stitches. My 15 chains are done and now I will start to make single crochet. Chain 1 to start the single crochet. Insert the hook on the second chain. From the hook pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops. For single crochet you will not yarn over the hook. Insert the hook in the chain, grab a yarn and pull it through from 2 loops. I will work till the end. At the end I have 15 single crochets. Chain 1 to turn, and now I will insert the hook not in the first stitch but in the second stitch. I will skip the first stitch and in second stitch I will insert my hook. I will not work on loops, I will work on stitches. I have both strands of the stitch and then I will pull up the thread and yarn over. Insert the hook, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops. One stitch in each stitch till the end. Last stitch, chain 1 for the beginning of the other line. I will turn my work. Skip first stitch because chain 1 is the alternative of single crochet. We will insert hook in the stitch, pull up a yarn and pull it through 2 loops. We will not yarn over. We will work till the end, and just before starting next line we will make chain 1, and skipping our first stitch we will work in the second one, and then we will work continuously. Again chain 1 to turn the work. Chain 1 would be the alternative of first single crochet. Single crochet in the next stitch and 1 single crochet in each stitch. Insert the hook, pull up a loop and pull through both loops. Again we will continue. This is how we can make single crochet. We will make 1 single crochet in each stitch. My round is finished, and look how both the edges are straight, and I can increase